Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Glory, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my summer essentials. These are the things I need during summer season, and if you like to see these items, please keep on watching. I'll be starting off with the body care products that I need during summer season, summertime. My shower gels here, so I have to sort of shower just gel. So I have one from Sanez and one from Lakura, which is Aldi. Aldi is a supermarket. I'm sure they have Aldi almost everywhere. This is their Moisture Plus shower gel for healthy skin. I definitely need a good shower gel to get all those heat, sweat off my skin. So affordable. So if you want more affordable one, definitely go for the Lakura, the Aldi shower gel. If you want something a little bit more pricey than the Lakura, then you go for Sanez. This is the Sanez new Biomen Protect demo. It says this strengthens skin's barrier and gently soothes skin. It says it's a sensitive shower cream, but it has like a gel. It looks like gel, but it's cream as well, cream formula, but it's weird consistency, but it's a very good shower gel or shower cream. But yes, I definitely need a very good shower product to cleanse up my sweat. Second product I need for my body care during summer season is obviously, if you've seen my current favorite video, you would have seen me mentioning this Nivea body lotion. So good, quickly absorbs into the skin, doesn't have heavy smell, and it moisturizes your skin, doesn't clog your pores as well on your skin. So good, lightweight as well. And the second one of it that I would recommend is from the Body Shop. I haven't got it here with me, but I'll put it on the screen. It's called the Body Shop Body Yogurt. It says it's a sensitive body moisturizer if you have sensitive skin. I'm using it, I think I discovered it about 2-3 years ago, and I've been using it during summer season. It really helps. Feels like you're putting water on your skin. It doesn't clog your pores either. It doesn't have any smell, like heavy smell. But the Body Shop Body Yogurt moisturizer is really good. If you want something that you won't even feel anything, like you feel like you're putting literally water on your skin, definitely go for that one. This Nivea one is good as well. It's lightweight, but for that Body Shop one is like water. It just like quickly goes into the skin. So I use the Body Shop one and this one. I recently discovered this one. Obviously I discovered it last month, May, and I've been using it generously ever since. But obviously I'll still be getting the Body Shop Body Yogurt, because that one is just when it's like, when like it's blazing hot and you still want to obviously moisturize the skin, but you don't want to feel anything at all. Yeah, that Body Shop one is really good for that. So we're still on the body care products. So the next item product that I definitely need, we need this all year round anyway, but in summer, when you're sweating and the heat is heating up that body, yes, and you're sweating everywhere, well, we need good deodorants. So I definitely need my Sure maximum protection deodorant. I bought this in sports strength to control that heat. I haven't started using this one yet, but I've got Sure maximum protection in clean scent. I'm currently using that one, but when the weather is blazing hot, I'm sweating and everything, this sports strength is ideal for me, like to put under my underarm and to help me control that heat and control any odor or anything. This Sure, honestly does not let me down during summertime when the weather is really hot. This Sure maximum protection in sports strength is the way to go for me. Next thing I need for my body and to help me take care of my body, if you know, if you are like me, you know what I'm about to say. During summertime, I get what is called hay fever. Like hay fever. It's called, well, many of you might know it as allergies, but here in UK we call it hay fever, because during the summertime that's when you get your pollen, and yeah, my body does not like that. So my body's like, nope, I don't want that inside of me. So for that reason I get the allergy, and I need a very good medication to help me control the allergy. So I always need my Piriton allergy tablets. I've tried other ones, but I discovered about last year that this one works best for me. Please make sure to speak to your GP, which is your general practitioner, to recommend the best for you, or you can go to your chemist and ask them, before buying. But this one, Puritan, works for me for my allergy. I definitely need allergy tablets, and this is the Puritan one that I use during summer season in order to keep my allergies, my hay fever under control. Okay, next thing I definitely need is a water bottle. You need water to keep your skin, keep your body hydrated, because you're going to be sweating a lot, you're going to be hot, to keep inside the body cooling down. So for that reason you need a bottle of water, water bottle to put your water in. You can put your ice, you can put your, if you're someone that don't like water, you can put juice with ice, but just make sure you are keeping yourself hydrated. I try to keep myself hydrated. Ideally you should drink your water every day, but during summer obviously it's blazing hot, you're sweating, your body's like bringing out all those water inside of you, so you need to replenish. So yeah, I need a bottle of water. This doesn't have to be anything fancy. This bottle was given to me by the brand Denis Gross. I did a collaboration with. Their package for me, they put this water bottle was in. And when it comes for the body, taking care of your body, you need lip balm during summertime. I need a good lip balm to keep the lips moisturized. So I've got this one, this is the Body Shop lip butter, and I've got this lip balm from Fenty Beauty. This is Cocoa Drizzle. It's from Fenty Beauty, the lip balm. Hopefully I'm holding it well. And again, this one is the Body Shop Vitamin E Lip Care. Yeah, so I definitely need good lip balm to keep my lips moisturized during summer season. And for fashion during summer season, need a dress, good lightweight dress that's not tight. I love wearing dresses. I mean, dresses are so easy to pull off. Just put on your sandals, your trainers, and you're good to go. So I need a very good lightweight dress that's not tight. And this one, I got this one from F&F in Tesco 2 years ago, and this is said it's made from, I think, viscose material, but it feels like it's very light. I think it's made with cotton, but it feels like it has like a bit of linen as well in it. But it's such a lightweight dress, beautiful. I have a few more dresses, honestly. I have a few more dresses. But yeah, I've had this for 2 years now. I got it 2 years ago, summertime, from F&F in Tesco. If you don't know, Tesco is a supermarket here in UK, and within Tesco there is a clothing brand called F&F. So they sell clothes for women, men, kids. So that's where I got this dress from, and it's so affordable, and it still looks so good. And I tend to rock dresses during summertime. Okay, during summer season I definitely need a basic white t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt I got from Zara 2 years ago. It's oversized as well, but I picked it up in extra large, so just from the Zara Basics line, and I've had it for 2 years. So with this t-shirt you can style it with anything, jeans, trousers, skirts. So yeah, in summertime definitely need a white t-shirt, and this has been in my wardrobe for 2 years. Also need a colored t-shirt. This one is from H&M. It's not tight either. It's quite a bit loose on me, which is really good. It's in linen material, which is good. So summertime you need to, if you can get linen or cotton in shirts or dress, that would be really good, because it helps, those sort of materials helps air, breeze to go through you properly because I'm someone, I dress obviously modestly and I'm into modest style, modest fashion. So for that reason, I don't wear shorts. No, I don't wear shorts. So I need a very good pair of jeans. Obviously, that's not too thick, and that's beautiful colors that I can wear during summer season. I have this gorgeous pink wide leg jeans, very light jeans material that I got from H&M, and it's so beautiful. I showed me styling these jeans here on my channel different ways during springtime, but you can do the same. You know, you can style these jeans different ways as well during summertime. Love this color pink. I have it also in yellow. I'll show you that in a minute. But yes, this is a definitely good pair of lightweight jeans and beautiful color. This, I have it also in yellow, and I'll get links of the video of me showing these jeans here on my channel. But yeah, I have it in yellow as well. They're from H&M, so affordable. I think they're $12.99. Yeah, they're so beautiful and summery as well. You need a light wash jeans that is stretchy and it's very light material, not thick. And I've had this in my wardrobe, this Journey jeans from Topshop forever. It's very light material. I only wear these jeans during spring and summertime, and honestly it doesn't make me sweat. It's just like very light material, beautiful color as well for summer and springtime. High-waisted, very stretchy, it's got a lot of stretch in it as well. This is Journey jeans from Topshop, and yeah, I need good pair of trainers. Yes, I love trainers. I wear trainers all year round. In summer, even better. So this one, I'm rocking this ever since I got it. This is from H&M. I showed this here in my spring haul 2022. I'll get the link of the video and link it in the description box if you haven't seen the video. But yeah, this is chunky trainers from H&M. I've had this since April. Yeah, April when I did the haul. But yeah, this is from H&M. It's in the beige color. So good, so lightweight, and just love the color. It goes with almost everything in my wardrobe during summer season. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing it during summer time a lot, especially with the jeans and dresses. So yeah, definitely chunky trainers is one of those things I need during summertime. And I need a good pair of sandals. These are from Shoe. It's a shoe company here. Well, it's a company here that carries different brands of shoes here in UK. I've had this since, gosh, 2018. I've had the sandals. I only put them out during summer seasons, and yes, the sandals, definitely need sandals. And there's good leather as well. So lightweight, so simple, and yeah, good sandals. Can't go wrong with a good pair of sandals during summertime. Feel free to let me know in the comment section your summer essentials, the things you definitely need during summer season. Feel free to comment below, okay? And you've watched to the end of this video and you still have not subscribed, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, okay? Also click the like button of this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye.